If you're seeing Gamma app image upload not working, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that can solve the problem fast. Whether your image won't upload, keeps failing, or just gets stuck, these steps will help you get back to building your presentation or document without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and how-to guides. First, open the Gamma project where the image is not uploading. This is important because you want to troubleshoot the exact file and the exact project that's giving you trouble. Once you're inside the project, take a quick look at the image you're trying to add and make sure everything looks normal on your end. Next, check the size of the image file. One of the most common reasons Gamma image uploads fail is because the file is too large. If the image is oversized, Gamma may struggle to process it properly. If that's the case, try compressing the image or using a smaller version before uploading again. Keeping the file lightweight can make a huge difference. After that, try uploading a common format like PNG or JPG. Sometimes the issue isn't the image itself, but the file type. Gamma works best with standard image formats, so if you're using something unusual, convert it to PNG or JPG and then try again. This simple change often fixes the upload issue right away. Now, rename the image with a simple file name. Avoid special characters, long file names, symbols, or extra spaces. Instead, use something clean and easy, like Gamma Image, 1, or Product Photo. File names can sometimes cause unexpected upload errors, so this is a quick step worth trying. If the upload still isn't working, refresh Gamma and try uploading the image again. A page refresh can clear temporary glitches, browser hiccups, or loading issues that may be stopping the file from uploading correctly. After refreshing, go back to your project and attempt the upload one more time. If it still fails after all of that, try using another browser. Sometimes the issue is tied to the browser itself, not Gamma. Switching from one browser to another can help you figure out whether the problem is caused by extensions, cache data, or browser compatibility. A different browser often solves stubborn upload problems. So to recap, if Gamma app image upload is not working, start by checking the project. Then make sure the file isn't too large, use PNG or JPG, rename the file simply, refresh Gamma, and finally try a different browser. These steps can fix most basic image upload issues in Gamma app. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy software tutorials and troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.